Hi, I'm George Smith. I work for MarineMax in the Stuart location. I'm standing outside the 355 Scout with the triple 300 outboard Mercuries on her. Those are V8 engines, beautiful black hull. Look at the flare in that bow. Is that awesome or what? That's a South Carolina flare at its best. There's no better looking boat than these Scouts. Hard top, the black accent going all the way up, black rocket launchers. So I'm going to walk you through the boat as I get around the back here. Just bear with me. Okay, as you can see, she's low in the back for fishing, and then it comes way up on the bow for that to help on that flare. And she's got the dive door, the fold-away seat, fish boxes in the floor, live well across the back, plenty of room to walk from port to starboard on the swim platform. And this seat drops down the top of it so you could have a serving area. There's the ladder for the door, 3 screens on the electronics, Seakeeper stabilization. Really helps a lot on the rocking and the rolling when you get offshore going slow trolling. He's got the power sunshade in the back with the rocket launchers. And let's take a look at the bow quickly. Nice lounge area for cruising and entertaining. Electric table that pops up. Power anchor, obviously. Look at the handrails. Black, matches the sides and the tops. Now, the cabin is absolutely gorgeous on this boat, so let's take a quick look into the cabin. So as you can see, there's plenty of room in the cabin here. There's a table for there, fills in, microwave, digital switching, so you push the button and all the batteries come on when you approach the boat, and then you can have the stereo and the lights coming on. So this is the 35 Scout. My name is George Smith. 908-675-6746 is the number you can reach me at. That's my cell. Would love to show you the boat in person. Take care.